Next one is from Yani and
Fabio.
Let's go.
They're in a relationship.
Ooh.
Thank you, Yani and Fabio. I actually watched their videos on YouTube. I've even seen them react to James, Nadine, and other actors and actresses. Thank you, Yani and Fabio. Thank you, Yani and Fabio. Thank you, Yani and Fabio. Thank you, Yani and Fabio.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. It's too early to be excited like this. Hold on, let me just... You guys probably know already in the title. So, let me just bundle up because I'm scared and excited at the same time. I'm scared for real. So what happened last night was we were about to go to sleep, right? We were getting ready to go to sleep.
Yeah, especially me.
Especially Fabio. We were getting ready. And then we got a simple DM from this guy who works at ABS-CBN.
We're very lucky that Yani is still awake this morning because he was forcing me last night, past midnight, almost 1 a.m. to set up all the room. Actually, we slept with all the setup, the lights and the camera. And he wanted me to film the video at 1 a.m. And I was like, nope.
How could you not? I'm so excited. This is such a big
like,
deal.
Liza, I love you. I'm not doing it.
So here it is. This video is Liza and Enrique Hill reacting to our video. I'm so scared.
Sexy. He's so sexy. We just woke up this morning and I was like, Yani, I want to do at least my hair, wash my face. He's like, no, grab your coffee. We're going to film.
We're going to do this. I'm so scared because do you even remember what you said in the Instagram read? Did we say nice things?
Oh my God, I hope so.
Did we say nice things?
I hope so. I don't remember what I said.
I remember being speechless at Liza's beauty.
I mean, she's
gorgeous.
She's so stunning.
She's the most beautiful woman.
Oh wow!
And looking at this video, you guys, it's high production. I was just expecting. I was just expecting with their bathroom, with their cell phone, and then somebody's filming them with another iPhone.
Yeah, this is not like Viva Mobile. This is like legit cameras. I see his face and he's so cute. I just wanna squeeze his cheeks and kiss him.
Fabio has a crush on him. Why are they reacting to us? Who told them?
Oh my God.
I'm so... Okay. So this is us reacting to their reaction to us.
And then they're gonna send us a reaction of our reaction of their reaction. And it's gonna be a game on forever.
Wait, Liza, does that mean we get to meet you? Because I'm a huge fan. Liza, we're going to Philippines this December or next year.
Oh my God, let's grab a coffee. Let's grab a balut together.
Yes, balut together. Oh, he hates it. Okay, let's stop talking. It's 4-minute video already.
Oh my God, he's so cute. I can't stop looking at him.
Did they say nice things? Are they actually reacting to us? Can I just press play? Okay, I'm just gonna press play. Look at her poise.
I know, she's pageant queen. Did we say good things? Yani, I'm so
Next
scared.
one is from Yani and Fabio.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
They're in a relationship.
Ooh. How do you know?
Oh.
He loves Halloween, which I'm so excited because we love Halloween too.
Yeah, I love this costume. I'm already loving this. I want to see. I'm praying it's not a boomerang. I hope.
Oh
my God.
It looks like fun. Also, they were in a scary house in the Philippines. 300 posts only in this Instagram page, and I feel like 50 of them are Halloween pictures.
Oh wow, they're so cute. He has a beautiful face. Beautiful baby face.
I find Liza so pretty. I don't know
She
what it
is. Yeah, no, she is.
Like, isn't she the one who was the most beautiful woman in 2017 or something like
She's so beautiful.
She's so
Yeah, but can we talk about his skin? It's so perfect. I can tell it's not really filtered. This
No, that's not an Italian.
Oh my God!
It's Samsung.
No! No! Let's see.
touched it.
Thank you, Yani and Fabio, for reacting to us.
Fabio, she mentioned our name.
I actually watched their videos on YouTube. Them react to James, Nadine, and other actors and actresses.
Wait!
Oh my God, that's yeah, that's insane. Oh my God, from now on I promise I will always do my hair before filming.
In what world where a person that is very popular and the most beautiful woman in 2017 watches our video?
Oh my God.
In what world where millions of people watch them on TV and they watch us?
Oh my god, I
Actually,
cannot.
I just want to hear that again. I actually watched her. She knows us.
Look at her. Look how sweet she was when she was saying it.
She's like. I actually. They're in a relationship. She knows
How do
us.
you know?
She know in the beginning.
You know what? I think she has a fake profile on Instagram and she follows both of us. She does. She follows both of us with a fake profile.
She probably has a fake YouTube channel
Yeah.
too, and she follows both of us. She knows we're in a relationship. She watches all our videos from Nadine to. Wait, can we watch that again?
Oh my god!
I'm shaking.
Okay, let's see.
She's so
Where's
yeah,
she
but can
from,
we
though?
talk about his skin? It's so perfect. I
It
can tell
doesn't-
it's not really filtered. This
No,
picture.
that's
Oh,
not an
thank
Italian.
you.
But
Yeah,
my
it's not
eyes can
filtered. Yeah.
keep away from.
Look at him.
It's Samsung.
What did I say?
Keep away from Liza's.
It's Samsung.
Huh?
Oh,
I'm touched.
what does it mean?
She was touched with your kind words.
Fabio for
Yeah.
reacting to us.
Yeah,
I
Fabio's
actually-
really funny. I like Fabio.
I actually
Oh,
watched
he
the
likes me.
video.
Oh, he likes me. Oh. Marry me.
He's in a relationship with Liza. You
Oh.
cunty whore.
On YouTube. I've even seen them react.
Fabio's really funny. I like Fabio.
I actually watched their videos on YouTube. I've even seen them react to James, Nadine, and other actors and actresses. They're really funny and
Yeah, it's
very
funny.
supportive of Filipinos. So
Tsaka
thank
you know this.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I need to poop now.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
Wait, he's about to say something about you again. Hold on.
They're really funny and
Yeah, it's
very
funny.
supportive of
I'm
Filipinos.
shaking. This
Tsaka
Thank
he
you.
noticed the walang filter. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for that. Yeah.
Oh.
thanking you because you noticed that there's no filter.
Okay, so the last video is from Jeffy.
Is that it?
Well,
First of all, why are these people copying our content? Instagram race. We're the first ones who did it, and then they're all copying it. Anyway, I'm not mad. I'm sorry. It's too early for this.
we're just bitter because we thought deeply into
I'm just kidding. You guys can do whatever content you like. It's on your YouTube.
Because we know we're still the best anyways.
How do you feel, Fabio? Enrique said. I like Fabio.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I have no words for that.
No
I was so happy. I was so happy because I say a lot of things, right?
You say a lot of bad
random things. I swear a lot, do all my things. But
You do.
when he said I like Fabio, I was like,
It's because you told him he doesn't have a filter on his face.
yeah. So now that pushed me to even be more myself.
Wow.
And I can't wait to meet you, and I'm gonna just
I
follow
know.
you
I can't.
in the restrooms, and then that's
Fabio,
it's-
don't be
cut-
creepy. This
cut
is so
this one.
creepy.
Cut
Yeah,
this
I
one.
know. I'm gonna cut that. Anyway, oh my god. Liza said, I actually watched them on YouTube. I've seen their videos of Nadine and
so happy.
that's it. I made it.
You made it.
I made it already in life.
Let's just remind all of us that your success is just because of me.
Wow.
Because did you have a YouTube?
Wow.
Yeah, did you have a YouTube channel before me?
I did. It's been on forever. I just didn't upload anything.
Well, that's
Anyway.
because then I came into your life.
Can we watch the beginning of that again? I feel like they said something about us. Enrique is like blushing, saying that we
Yeah.
complimented him.
Next one is from Yani
And Fabio.
Let's go.
They're in a relationship.
How does she know? How does she know?
But for how long? For how long? Do you know?
Liza, if you're a true
If
fan,
you're really
if you are really a fan,
If you're a
how
fan-
long have we been together?
Yes, because if you're a fan, you watch the question and answer, and you should know. I'm expecting you to know.
How long have we been together? And then I just want to hear the end again.
And it's not really filtered. This
No,
picture.
that's not an
I'm not touched.
He said, I'm so touched.
Thank you, Yani and Fabio, for
Yeah.
reacting to us.
Yeah, Fabio's
actually-
really funny. I like Fabio.
I actually watched their videos on YouTube. I've even seen them react to James and Dean and other actors and actresses. They're really funny.
That's a validation. That's it. I made it. I don't need to have a 1 million
Stop
subscriber.
saying I, it's we.
We don't need to have 1 million subscribers. We made it already.
You know, Erika, I just want to tell you one
Who's
thing.
Erika? Who's Erika? Who's Erika?
Enrique.
Who's Erika? Enrique.
Yeah, but with my accent is Enrique.
Enrique.
Okay, Enrique, let hear this. So I'm gonna put your short clip as my alarm in the morning when you say, I like Fabio. So every morning I'm gonna wake up. Oh, what?
You're such a whore. Anyway.
You cannot say whore in camera.
Okay, I cannot say whore. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was really exciting. Oh my gosh, Liza
It
knows
just made
us.
our day. I love it.
Like I became a fan right away of Liza and Enrique after rating their Instagram.
Yeah.
So, anyway, this made my day. I'm gonna go start my day now and have fun.
Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Comment down below.
Thank you guys for reacting to our reaction. We love you.
Yeah, if you're a fan though, comment below how long we've been together. 'Cause- Joe, kidding. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.